Hi everyone, hope you guys are fine. In the last video of Smargit, we had discussed the basic operations of Smargit using graphical user interface named Smargit. So in today's video, I'm going to show some advanced steps. So let me skip this. You can see in the last video we had discussed some basic functions, create, clone, etc. and create new branches. So let's get started. This is my repository, React deployment. I have just opened this repository in my Smargit. Here you can see React deployment. So sometimes happen that you are working in a organization where you are working on a specific task, so you must work on your own branch rather than working on master branch. So let's create different branches. Right click, add branch. Firstly I will create the front end branch. Usually there are different branches your peoples are working on. So I am a front-end developer, so I am going to create a front-end branch. But in front-end I have different co-workers which are working with me. So I will create my task specific branch for more reusability and for more git history. So I will suppose I'm working on Navbar, so I will do Navbar branch. I will create a Navbar branch, right? I've just created a Navbar branch. I'll just check out on this branch and let's get started. Let's do some work. uh, uh, I have created Navbar. Okay, now I've done my task, so I have to send this to my lead so that he can review, and if it goes well, so it will merge to the production or on deployment on staging, right? So this is my task. I can simply just going to push this. uh, Created navbar. I will check my username if it is right. Yes, and then I will do push. If I want, if I have the authority to merge on the branch, I can just click on the master branch and right click on you can see there isn't my latest work, so I will just do right click on the front end branch. No, I will just right click on navbar. Let me check in which branch I have just pushed. Yes, I have pushed on navbar branch. I'm on master branch. I want the navbar work on master branch, so I will do right click and then create merge. You can create a just comment of the merge. I'm going to review the changes, so I'm going to merge on working tree. You can see I have the word. I've reviewed this and just I can just comment and just push. You can see that my work is all now in master branch. You see merge from navbar. You can see if I double click on this, you can see my work. Okay, what if I have to create a pull request? So how would I do? But before this, let's go to this our GitHub. I've just pushed this on my master branch. Let's see on master branch. You can see here is my comment, but I don't want this comment right now because I want to create a pull request, right? So what I will do, I will just do on local and undo last commit. Here you can see currently I have the merge navbar branch. I will just do the undo comment and then just push on master branch. Look, I have on master branch. It will ask me to force push. I will say yes, and if I refresh over there, you can see all the history related to my merging is removed. Now let's go to the navbar branch. You can see, okay, I will again do a undo over here. You can see if I go to the navbar branch, I also have this comment, right? I'm going to no, I'm not going to undo the comment. I'm going to create a pull request so that my lead can review and merge to the front end branch. So I will go to this branch. You can see here I have the pop-up option. If not, then you can just go to the pull request and create a new pull request. You can see here it is saying 2 minutes ago master navbar. I'm just going to this. You have to select which branch you are comparing. My work is on navbar branch and the base is master branch. No, the base is the front end branch. Okay, the front end branch is not on the origin because I've created it locally. So let me push this branch to the master, to the origin. You can see currently it is 3, it will be 4. Yeah, my navbar, my front-end branch is on master. So let's refresh this page. And now choose the base to the front end. I'm going to create pull request from navbar to front-end branch. Now just create a pull request. Okay, in different companies you have to assign the reviewer, because currently I have no one in the reviewer, because this is my own branch and no one is collaborated in this repository, so I don't have any reviewer over here. So I will just create a pull request. A notification will be sent to the lead or your manager, so that someone has opened a pull request. What your lead will do, your lead will simply review the code and the file changes. If he found anything messy, he will leave a comment. Remove this, right? He will do the comment. It is still pending. If you are the employer, you can just resolve it and reply over here, and then your lead will again review this and will finish the review. Now I'm going to approve this. Okay, I have to do the commit and then submit a review. Currently I am reviewing this. Okay, now I can simply merge the pull request. In short, what we have done so far is just created different branches. I have created a front-end local branch. I need to push this on origin so that I can create a pull request. So I just pushed the front-end branch. I go to the navbar. I have created my navbar task. I have just click on the pull request. I have created some task, and I'm just created a pull request. Pull request by creating new. I have just selected my from where I want to compare. I just selected navbar, then the base was my front end branch, and then created a pull request. Simple. Okay, so this was the creating branches and creating a pull request, and also removing your commit from the GitHub. Okay, so now you can see I have created. Let's do some other work. Currently, I'm on navbar branch. I have minor changes. I have added 3 dots. Okay, and I've just created a comment. Minor changes. I'll just do the comment and just push. But it doesn't look good. There are 2 comments for one task, and this task contain this comment also only contains 3 words. So I want these comments to be a one comment. So simply I will select both these comment and then right click and then squash comment. What it will do, it will combine my both comments into one. Now it will ask 2 things, your message and your ownership. Now I want the basic one, the initial my comment, so I will remove the latest commit message, and I will ask the ownership to be 911. Okay, so this is the 911, and simply do the squash comment. And then okay, let me just show you the commits log on GitHub. I am on navbar branch. In the comments section, you can see there are minor changes, created navbar, remove log files. These 2 are the latest comment, but I have done the squash locally, so let's push this squash. Okay, let's refresh this page. You can see my new comments is removed. Let's see if it's contained the removed comment work. Yeah, it contains. It has created merged both work and created a single comment. So we have discussed the squash comment. The squash comments combine both your comments. We have discussed pull request. Okay, we have discussed remove comment from. Okay, sometimes you are working on different branch and you need the work of other branch. Like I am working on the front end branch. I need the work of navbar branch. One simple way is to right click and merge, create a merge commit. It is simply merge, but this is one way. There is another way. If you want to selected files from a different branch or from some different pair, so I'll just simply do undo last comment, and I will go to my log window. Okay, I am on front-end branch, but I need the I need the work of Navbar branch. So simply I have to first do some changes on Navbar. Just check out on Navbar. Let's do some changes. Simply save. I will do save. It will add a double quotation in this. Okay, let's see. Yes, let's do. I will do comment. Navbar changes. Commit and simply push. Okay, what I've done, in the navbar branch I've done some work which is not in the front end branch, right? You can see there isn't any work, but I need this work of navbar in my front end branch. One way is simply right click and merge from this branch. The other one is simply go to the log window and do a cherry pick. I am on I'm on front end branch. I will check on the navbar branch. You can see navbar branch comments are over here. So I need this work. So you can simply, one way is do right click on do cherry pick, and if you want a selected specific files from these, like there are many files but you don't need all the work, you need the simple work, simple one file or two files. So you will simply select this file and right click and do a cherry pick. So simply go to our work. Oh, it has the conflicts, right? So I will do this work. Okay, so let's see how to resolve the conflicts. I will do Control Z. It is saying front end branch. Our base branch is this, and from which we have taken the this is our navbar branch. This is our front end branch. It has combined both the work in one. It is asking either keep this one or keep this one. So I know the latest work is on my navbar branch because I have recently committed this. So I will just select this. You can see I've just added changes for navbar. So I will simply close this, save it, and stage it. Okay, but I need okay, let's do the cherry pick again with different files, right? I will click on this and select all and do cherry pick. Cherry pick succeed. You can see I have the work of both these files in my front end without any comments or without extra files. So I will just do the commit my cherry pick, comment and push. Okay, how much time we had spent on this?